Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you a couple of ways to fix the issue of audio or voice messages not playing on your Instagram account on iPhone. It's going to be quick and easy, so let's dive in. The problem often arises when you have a poor internet connection. First, open YouTube to see if it loads properly. Alternatively, you can visit fast.com on your browser to check your internet speed. If your internet speed isn't stable, ensure you have a stable connection. You can try enabling airplane mode for 30 seconds, then disabling it or switching your network. If using Wi-Fi, try disabling it and enabling mobile data, or vice versa. If on mobile data, turn it off, switch to Wi-Fi, and connect to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. If the problem persists after checking your internet connection, the next step is to go to Settings on your iPhone. Navigate to General, then iPhone Storage. Find and tap on Instagram, then tap Offload app followed by Reinstall. After that, exit Settings and restart your iPhone. Following these steps should solve the problem if it's related to your internet connection or iPhone settings. If you still have questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below.